Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm your Chitra ma'am from Joy Jumpers, Chandkheda. Today we are going to do creative sand activity. Yes, it's a sensory activity where you can focus on the process rather than the outcome. In this activity, you can use plain sand, craft sand or any other color sand. Usually, the sand art falls into the category of messy play where you can dig, you can make some shapes with sand with the help of your fingers and your hand. Sand art is not just creativity. Here, the sand, when you touch it, it's always relaxing. Hence, it is used in the sensory play and sensory activities to melt away our anxiety. So, are you ready for the activity? Today we are going to do lots of fun activities with sand. So first one will be sand art. For this you require a paper which can be any colored paper or a white paper. Either you can use Fevigum or Fevikwik or a Fevicol, and this is sand and a newspaper. So in this activity, you can take the paper and draw whichever drawing you want to do. It can be anything, a flower or a house or anything. Okay. Now here I have drawn a mountain, sun, a house and a stream. Okay. Now what we have to do is take a Fevigum and you have to apply it as an outline. Just like this. Just as you draw it with a pencil, I am drawing it with a Fevigum. Okay. And the best part comes here. See? Now you have to apply the gum wherever you want to. Okay? Now the real play starts here. You have to take the sand and pour it like this. Put it all over. It's always fun to play with sand. Now see the magic? Wow! Do you see that? Shall we do the remaining one? Yes. So now we will do with the remaining part. This will help you in your pincer grip and in your sensory activity too. Isn't that fun? Now pour the sand as we did earlier, so that the remaining part will also be covered with sand, and we will finish our sand art with this. Okay, shall we do the magic? Say 3, 2, 1. Wow, do you see that? Isn't that fun? You can do your own creative art and you can do a sand art like this. Yes? Now we are going to do sensory activity number 2. Ta-da! Look at this. This is a greeting card. You will be wondering what are we going to do with the greeting card? Yes, today we are going to use colored sand for this sensory activity. So shall we start? So as you see here, I have already written it with a Fevigum, and now we are going to use colored sand. Okay? This activity is gonna help you in your pincer grip and your fine gross motor skills. and it's always fun to play with colored sand. So shall we see? Boom! Now we'll use the other color. Now guess what's written here? M-O-M, mom. Do you like your mom? So what you have to do is you have to make a beautiful card just like this with colorful sands, and you can gift it to anyone you like. Yes? Shall we start? Woo! Wow! Do you see that? Now that our card is ready, but what is the message that we have for our mom? Shall we look into it? Oh, what a mess! Shall we do one magic? Just say Z boom ba. Ready? Z boom ba. Oh wow! I love you. So this is activity number 3, where you're going to use a tray and a sand, and this is called sensory tub activity, where I have some surprises hidden inside this tub. Can you help me around to search the hidden surprise here? So shall we start? What is this? Oh, see what I found. A marble. Wow. 1, 2. Oh, see, I got one. 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6. Oh my goodness. 7, 8, 9. Do we have one more? Yes. 10. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? So you too do this activity along with your brothers and sisters and have fun. Now activity number 4, where you can take a nozzle like this. Here you can fill it with sand, or you can take any squeezing bottle, fill it with sand, and you can draw your own imagination. You can create your own patterns. Just see here. Yes, or otherwise you can make your own cloud, you can make your own star. Doing this with the bottle helps in gripping, and the squeezing action will help you in your fine motor skills. Yes? And activity number 5, which is very simple. You can simply take a tray, fill it with sand, and use your fingers and hands for making patterns. Either you can make a wavy pattern, or you can simply make a straight line, or you can make circles like this. This will help you in your pincer grip. Yes, and it's always relaxing to touch the sand, and it always reduces your stress. So always it's better to play with sand and do all sorts of messy activity. Now that you know different kinds of activities to do with this sand, I'll let you know the key benefits of this activity. Number 1, it helps to develop fine motor skills with gripping and squeezing, and number 2, it helps you or strengthens you in color recognition, and number 3, it boosts your creativity, number 4, reduces your stress, and number 5, it enhances to create a new experience, and above all, it's a fun activity to do as a family. So enjoy and have fun.